Wake up, Penny. You gotta throw it good for me to do that.
Throw it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, I want that to soar like an eagle. What? What the heck? No!
Harper, throw it! Throw it! We're not in it, but just throw it.
Is it cardboard?
Daddy, can I throw?
Smash it on Penny's head. Oh! It's alive! Whoa! Mommy, your egg almost smashed in my head.
Do a good throw this time. Do it harder than you think you should.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes!
Oh!
Bye, future Colin. I'll see you in a decade or less. Hopefully, yeah.
Yeah, I feel like we'll be back too. That was fun. All right, off to Alabama. On our way to Alabama, taking the back roads. Going to a little place in the middle of nowhere called Monroeville. We're going to spend a few nights there. It was the location of the book To Kill a Mockingbird, where she was from. So that should be a fun little couple of excursions. Having fun, babe? Thank you. It's alright. This actually hasn't been too bad of a drive. I like these kind of roads. Not as stressful.
Breath. Hold your breath. Bye, Florida.
Woohoo!
Home Alabama.
So blue.
Home Alabama. Lord, I'm coming home to you.
Come on, Alabama.
sketch, but also beautiful. Yeah, we just took a run. We've just been running non-stop. But it's really beautiful out here, so that's a good workout before dinner, you know? Gotta keep our metabolism up. I mean, down. Before soccer season starts. Because I've gone out of shape since that ended.
You're back. Kids are exploring on their bikes. How was it, guys? Yeah, the guy said watch out for snakes. The guy said watch out for snakes. There are big snakes back there, he said. Dangerous ones. Yeah. Look at that pretty rainbow. Amazing. So we've made our way to Country Sunshine RV Park in Conecuh County, Alabama. There's not much around here, but we're hoping to visit Monroeville, Alabama, because that is the inspiration behind To Kill a Mockingbird. It's one of my daughter's favorite books, and we're going to go there and see Harper Lee and learn a little bit about her, visit the courtroom that inspired the famous scenes from the book and the movie, and apparently Truman Capote was born here as well. So looking forward to exploring Alabama tomorrow and seeing how that turns out. So should be fun. It's a hot, sweltery day, and it's July 3rd. So we're also looking forward to Independence Day tomorrow. Fun fact that the Declaration of Independence was actually passed on July 2nd. And on July 4th was the day that I believe they read it to the people of Philadelphia. And they didn't actually sign it for weeks, if not months afterwards, because it took a while to print. But just a fun fact from resident history geek here. But we are getting ready to call it a night and tuck in and get some sleep. So this is a nice quiet place. So I'm expecting we will see lots of stars. So until then, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching 10,000 Roads. As far as I know, my tray is still being used for